चलो चलो hello everyone, again very good evening to all of you guys and welcome to oliveboard. I hope you guys can hear me, see me clearly, right? Everyone, do let me know if I'm properly audible to each and every one of you guys. Am I properly audible, everyone? Am I properly audible to each and everyone? Properly audible? Adul, hi, how are you? Perfect. Chalo. Just a second. Chalo, sir. Chalo. So again, this is the set for NTPC, right? Chalo, sir. Let us start with our first question. Let us start today's session with our first question. Again, just like yesterday, I'll give you guys 30-40 seconds for per question, and we'll try to solve each and every question. Chalo, sir. First question, here it is right in front of you. It's a question based on simple interest. So I'm giving you guys 40 seconds. Quickly solve and tell me the answer. Quickly solve and tell me the answer, please. Quickly. Orghamita, hi, how are you? How are you? Very good evening. Very good evening. Chalo. First question. This is the question number 1. Chalo, sir. So again, we will be taking the simple percentage approach for this. Simple percentage approach for this type of question. This is a type which gets asked very often. It's a very important type. Rohan borrowed some money at 10% per annum for the first 6 years. 5% per annum for the next 3 years and 13% per annum for the period after 9 years. If the interest paid by him at the end of 12 years is this, then find how much did he borrow. That means the principal amount they are asking. The principal amount they are asking. Now, how to do this? How to approach this, sir? Sir, please take the percentage. Sir, for the first 6 years, interest is 10% every year. So, for first 6 years, total interest, sir, can I say it is 60%, sir? It is 60%. Next 3 years, sir, 5% per year. Meaning, sir, next 3 years, it will be, sir, 5% per year. So 3 years, sir, total 50%. 15% total. Now, 13% for the next 9 years. So next, 13% for any period beyond 9 years. 6 plus 3, 9 years gone. Any period beyond 9 years, 13% per annum. And total he had taken the loan for 12 years. That means how many years is left? Out of 12 years, 6 years and 3 years, 9 years gone. So 3 years is remaining, sir. 3 years is remaining out to 12 minus 9. So if those 3 years, every year he will pay 13 years interest. So 3 years he will pay 39% interest. So total this much interest he will pay, sir. Total this much interest he will pay, sir. 60 plus 40 is 100. So this is 99% plus 15. So 100 plus 14, that is 114%. Sir, he will pay 114% of interest. Now, the question that you need to ask yourself, sir, 14% of what? Kiska 114%? Sir, 114% of principal, that means, sir, principal is 100%. Because we are taking the percentage approach. Principal always in this case is 100% because the 114% of when I'm saying principal, that means my base is my principal, that is 100% is principal. It simply means that 114% value is 22,800. They are asking us to figure out the 100% value. So it is 228,000 by 114, and for 100 I multiply 100. So it is 200 into 100, that is 20,000 rupees. Option number 3. Arghamita, is you are absolutely correct. You are absolutely correct, brother. Like sister, absolutely correct. So this is the answer to the first question, and this was a very good question. Very good and very, very important question. This is a question that you can expect in both NTPC as well as in your SSC exam. This is the type. And again, talking about SSC, we were lucky enough to kind of, again, I've just wanted to mention this. So Shubham and Manjot both were we were lucky enough to be part of their journey. Okay, so both JSO and non-JSO 2 AR1s both were students of oliveboard, and along with these all other students, in total we have 6,500 plus selections in the CGL 2024. That the result that was released 12th night, or you can say 13th release one. So in that thing, so we were part of 6,500 plus students journey. So you please if you want to like us to be part of your journey as well, please feel free. So again, we are taking, including me, each and every faculty is taking free sessions on our app every Saturday. Argamitas, thank you so much. Every Saturdays we're taking. So I'm personally taking the class at 10 a.m. in the morning every Saturday. Okay. So if you have any particular doubts, like you want a class on a particular topic, feel free to ask me. I will set up a class on that. So every Saturday 10 a.m. I personally take the class on the app. You just need to log into the website or through the app. You will see the free course section. There you will find the courses under the faculty's name. So for me, you can search by my name. Every faculty takes classes on Saturdays. Okay. Chalo sir. Just again, let us move on to the second question of, again, this is a beautiful question. If you have not done a question like this one, it might feel a little tricky, but again, you will learn something new today then in that case. In that case, you will learn something new today. So please join this. Please try to solve this question. Try your hardest to solve this particular question. Everyone, try to solve this. Try to solve this question, sir. Very simple question. Very simple question. But again, you need to know how to solve. Right, sir? Quickly. Sir. Anyone? Chalo. Let us do it. If you have not done these questions, you see, whenever you see a question like this, 1 divided by 1 into 4 plus 1 divided by 4 into 7 plus 1 divided by 7 into 10 plus ... Okay. Acha, first 5 terms. Yes, I was thinking how, number of terms, why not, why haven't they given it? Sir, 5 terms. Let me say one thing. This is in mathematics. This is best way to solve this is by using something called VN method, sir. This is called something called VN method. Arghamita has given some answer. Let's see Arghamita. But again, the best method will be to use VN method. Now, VN method is saying what? VN method, for that, again, you do not need to do very much. You see 5 terms, na? Can you write the 5th term? Can you guys write the 5th term using a little bit of your brain? Can you write the 5th term, sir? Can you guys write the 5th term here, sir? So yes, definitely ये daily होगा sir, daily होगा ये, okay? For the timing, अभी classes daily होगा. Now topic of the classes might change, but classes will be regular, okay? That much I can confirm. I'll come daily, apart from Saturdays, Sundays. Now, can you guys tell me what will be the 5th term? Sir, 7 into 10. So the 4th term. So if I write down all the terms here, so 4th term will be, sir, 1 by 10 into 13 into, sorry, plus 1 by 13 into 70. You will say, sir, acha. You will say, sir, acha. 13 into 16, sorry. 13 into 16. Now, you will say, sir, there are so many ways to do this. First, I'm showing you a couple of methods. Sir, you see all the difference in all of these, the difference is, sir, only 3. The difference, sir, is only 3, sir. You see, in all these denominators, we are taking only 5 terms. Do not worry for all the other terms also. You will see once you understand the concept, it is the same. It does not matter whether it is 5 terms or 50 terms. So at the end, so this, if this is 3, na, sir, on top, I can write, sir, this as 4 minus 1, and I can take a 1 by 3 common, sir. 1 by 3 common means, you see, the next step actually, I should write, this is 3, sir, this is 3, this is 3. So everywhere I am writing 3, sir. I am writing 3, 3, 3. And every 3, sir, I can write as, this is 4 minus 1. Now, this 3 I can write as 7 minus 4. This 3 I can write as 10 minus 7. This 3 I can write as 13 minus 10. This 3 I can write as 16 minus 13. Try to understand what I'm saying. Please try to understand what I'm trying to say here. So 1 by 3. Now, if I write, sir, 4 by the whole thing, 4 cancels, I'm getting 1 by 1. Minus. Write it down like 1 by 1 only. Do not write like only 1. Now here, sir, 1 by this thing, 1 and 1 cancels, I'm having 1 by 4. Plus 7 by the whole thing, 7 cancels, I'm having 1 by 4. Minus 4 and this whole thing, 4 cancels, I'm having 1 by 7. Plus, again, sir, 10 by the whole thing, I'm having 10 cancels, 1 by 7. Minus, sir, 7 by the whole thing, 7 cancels, 1 by 10. Again, I'll be writing CGL. Puneet, brother, CG, actually, you see, like every alternate day, 2 CGL classes, 1 NTPC class. Actually, you see, the classes, the level of questions will be very similar, brother. I will ask you to join this class as well, because the syllabus is 95% the same. Like, honestly speaking, more than 95% is the same. Puneet, please feel free to join this class as well. Okay? Because the questions this question is 100% can come in CGL as well. This question can come any time in CGL. Okay? Mostly if it comes in CB, like in NTPC, it will be mostly in CBD2, in CGL also in like tier 2. Mostly as tier 2 level question, this one. Okay? Now, over here, sir, again, same thing. If I do this 13 by the whole thing, 13 cancels, I'll have 1 by 10. Again, I'm writing the whole thing so that you understand. 10 cancels, minus 1 by 13. Plus 16 by this, 16 cancels, 1 by 13. Minus this cancels, 1 by 16. Now you see, this cancels, this cancels, this is cancelling, this is cancelling. Ultimately, what we are having, first term and the last term. 1 minus 1 by 16. So now we can calculate this to be, sir, 16 minus 1. So this is, sir, 15 by 16, that is 5 by 16. So that means Arghamita was absolutely correct. Arghamita was absolutely correct. But now please understand what I have shown, and again I started with something called VN method. Understand my point, brother. So the trick over here, like whether will we be doing all these things like if it comes in the the exam? Absolutely not. What we'll do in that case? So हम करेंगे क्या? What we are going to do in that case? Please try to understand. Sir, I will try to figure out this value. Sir, first what is the value and what is the last term? Once I figure that out, always remember your answer will be whatever is the difference. Difference, you see, I'll like solve this. Difference 3, 1 by that difference. 1 by that difference, because that will like that I had to take common into first term, sir. First term is this, sir, 1 by 1 minus last term, sir. Last term was how much, sir? So last term will be, sir, 16 over here, sir, 1 by 16. That is your answer always. That is always your answer. Even if, let me say this, even if here you have 3 multiplications, the same thing will happen, but there you need to take 2 at a time. Okay, we will solve those questions also. We will also solve those questions. Everybody got my point? Is this clear, everyone? I've given you a very, very clear, like clear-cut short trick here. If you see a question like this is not a very easy question. Still, I've given you the solution, the proper way of solving, again after how to think in a short manner. Clear? Perfect, 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 perfect. So please do follow that. Please do follow. This is actually called VN method. And whatever we have made, this is actually called VN. If you have prepared for JEE Vagera, you might have heard about this. IIT ke books mein you will find this term VN. This is a VN method, it is called. Now, very important question, very easy question, this one. Very, very easy question. You should not take more than 30 seconds to solve. This question should not take you more than 30 seconds to solve. Everybody, very, very quickly solve. Solve this very, very quickly. Very quickly. Puneet, tell me the answer, brother. Tell me the answer. Tell me the answer. Quickly. Puneet, answer please, brother. Quickly, quickly. Need answers, need answers. Sir, by 3 get 2. If you, let me clarify your doubts, all your doubts on this statement, because you get questions from this type of statement very regularly. It's a very simple statement. It means if you buy 3, you get 5. Get 2 free means if you pay for 3, you get to keep 5, sir. Right? This is what the statement means. Meaning if I pay for 3, I can get to keep 5, sir. Now think about, now they are asking the discount percentage. Now always remember, discount percentage means you need to put yourself in the shopkeeper's shoes. Because discount always, who gives you discounts? The shopkeeper. The person who is selling you the product. Right? The person who is selling you the product, that person gives you discount. So always think from that perspective. So that means the shopkeeper is saying to you what? Ki bhai, there are shirts, each shirt is of 500 rupees. Each shirt, MP is 100 rupees. MP of each shirt is 100 rupees. Understand? Please try to understand this. So you are saying, sir, acha 5 shirts, the MP will be, sir, 500 rupees. But the shopkeeper is saying to you, You only pay me for 3, meaning you only give me 300 rupees, I'll give you 5 shirts only. Meaning I am giving you, he is giving you how much discount? He is giving you 200 rupee discount na. Please understand this. He is giving you, the shopkeeper is giving you 200 rupee discount on 500 rupees. He is giving you 200 rupee discount on 500 rupees. Tell me percentage. So 200 by 500 into 100, sir. Can you guys think? Can you guys think like this? So it is 2 by 5. 2 by 5 means, sir, 40%. That is 40%, sir. Option number, sir. That means, sir, option number 4. Think always from that perspective whenever you are solving a discount question. Always from the shopkeeper's point of view. Okay, everyone, clear this? Everybody? And again, if you are liking the session, please do hit the like button. Please do hit the like button. It gives the session a little bit reach. Perfect, everyone. This is a very simple question, but again, I have seen many students struggle with this type of statements. I have seen many students struggle with this type of statements. It's a very simple question. Okay, do not try to remember things. This, if this is a statement, we need to do this. The more you try to remember, the more you forget. Rather think logically. Rather you always think logically, sir. Okay, next one. Moving on, sir. A shopkeeper. See, there is a problem with this playback, you know. I'm not able to see your comments, everybody's. Acha, everyone, clear? Chalo. A shopkeeper buys a notebook for this. He wants a profit of this after giving a discount of this. Acha, you see this question, it's a template question. Sir, CP, SP, MP. Very basic, fundamental stuff. Understand, sir. Always remember, sir, you cannot have a direct line between CP and MP. Direct connection between CP and MP is not possible if that is not given to you. That is called markup. That has to be given or some information. So if direct line is not given, na, so what is given, sir? CP to SP you can go by using profit or loss, right? By using profit, mostly profit or loss, I can get from CP to SP. And from MP to SP, I can come back by using discount. So whenever you see such questions where CP is given, profit is given, and also discount is given, so always remember, you need to equate CP, MP from from where? Using this SP. You need to get to SP once from CP, once from MP, equate them, get your answer. Equate them, always you will get to your answer. Sir, every time it works. Sir, 85 rupees CP, sir. He wants a profit of 20%. Sir, SP will be what, sir? 120%. 120% means, sir, 6 by 5. I'm writing it directly. This is, sir, SP. This is, sir, SP from CP. Sir, discount. Sir, I don't know. Markup, they are asking like what price should he mark the book? Meaning they are asking the MP. I do not know his markup. So I am taking the markup to be 100x. Because percentage, that is why I am taking 100x. Now, discount how much? Sir, once after giving a discount of 50%, he wants to give a discount of 50%, 15%. Sir, what if he gives a discount of 15%? What will be SP, sir? Sir, it will be 85. It will be, sir, 85x. It will be, sir, 85x. Sir, it is also SP. Same product cannot have two different SPs. You see, both are equal. 85 cancels. X is equal to 6 by 5. You see, no calculations also needed. But sir, they are not asking us X value. They are asking the value of 100x. So multiply 100 to both the sides. 20 into 6 is, sir, 120. This is, sir, 120 like this. In a single line, sir. In a single line, sir. This is one way to go. another way to solve the same question, sir. If you do not want to take XYZ. Sir, SP from here, and again I am showing you another way to think. Sir, 85 rupees wants to make a profit of 20%. So SP is into 6 by 5. Now this is what? This is after discount. This is SP after 15% discount. Meaning, sir, if you use the modular method, there is something called modular method that I teach in my batches. Sir, if you use the modular method, SP will be, sir, 15% discount means if MP is 100, SP is 85. So this is SP, that means this represents 85, that is denominator. What do we want? We want MP. That means we want 100. That is your numerator. It's a single liner. You can directly say this. So 85 cancels. This is 20. 6 into 20, 120 rupees. You can do this in a single line as well. That way also you will get 120 rupees as your answer. That way also you will get 120 rupees as your answer. Now, if you want a class on this, please let me know. I'll take a class. Okay. The separate class on this modular method. This is very, very useful in percentage, in profit loss, in many, many chapters. This particular technique. And again, this is not some like crazy method. This is a simple extension of unitary method only. This thing that we have done. Just an automated process, nothing else. Nothing else, nothing other than a automated process. Next one, sir. Next one, sir. This one. If anyone here takes more than 10 seconds to solve the question, then you still need some preparation. You should not take more than 10 seconds to solve this question, sir. Should not take more than 10 seconds. Everybody, quickly. Tell me answer. Please tell me the answer. Very quickly tell me the answer. The sound is okay. Now I've just changed the cell in the microphone. So just let me know if the sound is okay. If the sound is kind of it is breaking a little bit, do let me know. Chalo sir. Tell me, everyone. What is happening? I cannot see the comments after a few seconds only. Acha. Sir, always remember, if you see this pattern minus, it is 20, na sir? Can you break down 20 into factors where the difference is 1? Difference between the factors is 1? You will say, sir, yes. I can write it down as 5 into 4. 5 and 4, the difference is, sir, 1. The difference is, sir, 1. Your answer will always be the smaller factor, sir. Your answer in this situation will always be the smaller factor, sir. If you don't know, please know this. And if the same question has this, if the same question was, sir, was like this, sir, then your answer would have been the bigger factor, sir. In that case, the answer will be, sir, the bigger factor. You will say answer is, sir, 5. Remember, if it is plus, I'll say 5 is my answer. If this is minus, I'll say 4 is my answer. And, sir, if this is multiplication 20, then 20, then 20, then 20, and so on, then I'll say the answer will itself be the number that is 20 only. The answer in that case will be the number that is 20 only. All 3 types I have given. All 3 types is given. Perfect. Everybody clear, sir? Everybody, this is clear. Again, a quick repetition. If there is minus only, then the answer is always the smaller factor. The only rule behind the factorization, the difference between these two, the difference must be 1, sir. Must be, sir, 1. So if you can find 2 factors where the difference is 1, So if there is minus in the question, the answer is always the smaller factor. If the plus is there in the question, then the answer always is the bigger factor. And if there is multiplication in the question, then the number itself is the answer. Okay, it's a single liner question, very popular technique, nothing new here. Perfect, 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 perfect. Moving on, sir. Single liner questions, sir. Single liner questions, sir. Again, single liner. 15-sided polygon, pentadecagon it's called. So number of diagonals formula, sir. If you guys don't know, please remember n into n minus 3 by 2. This is actually comes from nc2 by minus n. nc2 minus n, from if you calculate you get this. If you calculate you get this. अच्छा ये सब हटाओ. You just remember number of diagonals is this. So now there's 15-sided polygon means that n is equal to 15. Put down the value, you will get your answer. So 15 into 15 minus 3 is 12 by 2. 2, this is like 6. 6 15s are 90. So there are 90 diagonals. How this actually formula comes, I've shown you in my batches, right? The proof vagera. The proof vagera is there in the batches. So again, if you need a free class on that, also comment down in the video. I'll take up a class on that. So again, just for those who don't know, Saturdays we always take, every Saturdays, all of the faculties of our platform, we take free courses. Okay, I personally take the classes from 10 a.m. Every Saturday at 10 a.m. I take the free classes. So feel free to join that, and we are also planning to launch a complete free course, okay, for SSC CGL like candidates. It will be a bridge course, especially for those like who are from non-engineering backgrounds, because like we have seen, like they have a little bit of an issue with in the mathematics reasoning portion. So we are planning to launch a completely free bridge course so that they can also get up to the same level as those who are preparing for a few time. So we are about to launch a course for them that will be completely free. So please feel free to join. Okay, sir. Now, a coordinate geometry question, sir. This is given, radius is given. This center is given, radius is given, equation of the circle they are asking. Equation of the circle they are asking. Sir, again, if you know this, so there is, if the alpha and beta is the center of a circle, then the equation of circle is x minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square equal to, if the radius of the circle is r, equal to r square. So using that particular bit of information, we can say, sir, x minus of minus 2 means plus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square, it will be equal to r square. R is, sir, 4, that is 16 square, like 16. Sir. So you can say x square plus y square, it will be 4x plus minus 6y, and it will be, sir, 4 and 9, 13, so it will be, sir, minus 3. It will be, sir, minus 3 equal to 0, sir. Which option? Check. 4x, this one, sir. This one, sir, option number set. Option number set. Yes, Arghamita, option 2 is most definitely your correct answer. It is most definitely your correct answer, sir. Absolutely your correct answer. Very good, sir. Very good. Now, mensuration. 2D mensuration. Equilateral triangle of side 12 centimeter is inscribed in a circle. What is the area of the circle? Sir. Area of the circle, sir, inscribed in a circle. That means this circle is nothing but the circumcircle. Can you guys visualize this? Can you guys visualize this? If you are a serious candidate, you should be able to visualize this. And if you can't, for them, I'm again, that's not to be like something, that is not something to be worried about. I can definitely show you the diagram. And once you understand this, next day onwards, you will be able to understand. That's all. So this is how this looks. I'm trying to make this as accurate as possible. It is how it looks. This is how it looks, sir. Right? This is how it looks. Now 12 centimeter, this side is 12 centimeter. This is circumcircle, meaning you see the circle is like passing through all three vertices. Area of the circle they are asking. They are asking what is the area of the circle. Now so for that, area of the circle depends on the radius. Pi r square, r is your radius. So radius will be what, sir? Always remember the radius of a circumcircle. If you do not know, this is a divided by root 3 centimeter. If a is the side of this particular triangle. Now, why this happens? Please understand. Do not like blindly follow this. Do not always follow the formulas blindly. So this is the height of the triangle, and this point, that like the circumradius, centroid, everything for equilateral triangle is the same point. Centroid, so this actually divides the height of the equilateral triangle in the ratio 2:1. And we all know the formula for height to be √3/2 into a. So this gets divided into 2:1. If you do that, this 2 part will be equal to a/√3. That is how it actually comes. And this 1 part is your in radius. वो भी याद रख लो. Please remember this as well. This is your in radius and this is your circumradius. This is your in radius, the lower part, and this is your circumradius. And you see this is 2:1, means in radius will be half of this, meaning it becomes a/2√3. It becomes a/2√3. So now I know the radius. Now I know a is equal to 12 in this question. So just put the value. So it will be 12 divided by √3, sir. Now √3 I need to do this into √3 into √3. This is 3, sir, 3/4 of this. So definitely 4√3 centimeter is the circumradius. So area will be, sir, pi into r square. R square means 4√3 square. 16 into 3, sir, that is 48 pi. Now you see I have not put the value of pi. Why? Because I can see in the options pi is kept intact. So that is option number 1, sir. That is option number, sir, 1. Again, very, very, very simple question. Yes, Arghamita, 48 pi is most definitely your correct answer. Again, everyone, I'll request, if you are liking the session, please feel free to hit the like, and again, please join the session every day on time. Perfect. Sir, next one, sir. Ratio of the volume of two spheres. Sir, volume of spheres, formula is 4/3 pi r cube. Please understand why I have written down the formula. Sir, 4/3 pi, this is constant. This is your constant part, sir. This is actually, sir, constant part. It does not make any sense. So ultimately volume ratio, constant. So whenever I'm taking ratios, sir, constant part actually like kind of it does not make any sense. It get cancelled. So it will be, sir, r1 cube by r2 cube. Sir, volume ratio, that means ultimately this is nothing but radius ratio cube of that. Cube of the radius ratio. And surface area, that value, that is, sir, 4 pi r square. Meaning it contains squares, sir. Meaning if you think a little bit, sir, this is the ratio of the cubes. Ratio of the cubes. Because, sir, ultimately volume varies. Volume varies to what? Volume varies to, sir, r cube, cube of the radius. Whereas surface area varies to r square, sir. Meaning this is cube ka ratio of the cubes. I need ratio of surface area, means I need ratio of the squares. So this is cube of what, sir? This is 6 cube ratio 5 cube. I need squares, meaning I need the ratio for 6 square, ratio 5 square. 36/25. Option number 2. So Arghamita, Naresh, absolutely correct, you guys are. Absolutely correct. Very, very good. Very, very good. Everyone. Very, very good. Perfect. Now this is a little thinking way. Again, you will say, no sir, I don't want to do that. Again, for that you have this V1 by V2 mathematically. 216 by 125 is R1 by R2 whole cube. From there you will say, sir, R1 by R2 whole cube will be, R1 by R2 directly I'm doing it is 6 by 5. So this squared will, like this surface area will be, sir, R1 by R2 whole square. S1 by S2 will be, sir, R1 by R2 whole square. That is 6 by 5 whole square. That is 36 by 25. For those who want to do it mathematically, this is the way. But again, will not suggest you do mathematically. Think a little bit. Logic is always important. Sir, a volume is varying to cubes, and surface area will always vary to square. So cube ratio is this, square ratio will be that. So you do it. That is much faster. Much faster. This one, sir. Acha, a little bit printing issue, sir. This is actually plus here. A plus B plus C, sir, equal to 0. Sir, please tell me the answer. How to think or what to think? Please tell me the answer, sir. This is a previous year NTPC question, CBT2 question. This is a previous year NTPC CBT2 question, as far as I can remember. Okay, most of these are PYQs. Okay, most of these are PYQs. And again, let me say this, the student, like those of you, because most of you guys are preparing for both SSC as well as NTPC, right? So please understand, do not make these sessions, this is only NTPC, this is only CGL. The preparation, you can never prepare like that. You can never prepare mathematics, reasoning, these subjects like that. These are all learning type subjects, right? The syllabus is almost identical. The level is almost identical. Yes, NTPC sometimes, NTPC sometimes in CBT2 asks questions which CGL also don't ask. Again, yes, like overall CGL asks one level higher, you can say. But NTPC is full of surprises. So again, please make sure you are covering, you are practicing as much as possible. It does not matter whether NTPC mock, it is a CGL mock. Try to do everything. Na? Try to do everything. Argamita has given answer as 2. Let's see. Sir, in these situations, A plus B plus C 0. Always use value putting, sir. Always use value putting. Now, there are 2 possibilities of value putting, okay? Mostly we use either 1 minus 1 0 or sir 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 minus 1. You understand my point. Argamita, now I guess your answer is correct, the 4. 4, I guess that is your correct answer because all are squares. Now please understand when to use what. When will we be using this and when will we be using this? Please understand, whatever value putting we are doing, the denominator can never be 0. This thing can never be 0. So if I am taking, because in the first situation there is a 0, if the denominator say having a square, b square, c square, say in the denominator, that means I cannot have take this, because once I put 0 here, c equal to 0, the whole thing is infinite or undefined. So please understand, value putting, maybe you need to use your brain a little bit. You cannot just blindly do it. You cannot just blindly do it. So make sure whenever you are putting values, always our first target will be this, because this is easier to calculate. 1 and minus 1, there is nothing easy to calculate, nothing easier to calculate, right? But again, I have to make sure about that. So over here, sir, there is no chance of getting 0. So I will, over here, I'll definitely take this. So I'll check. Sir, square to a square is 1, b square minus 1 square is also 1, c to 0, sir. Whole square of that. Divided by, again, this is 1 square and minus, so 1 square minus 1 square is also 1, 1 plus this is, sir, whatever has c with it It will always be 0 because C itself is 0, 0, 0. It is 1 plus 1, 2 square, 4 by 1, sir, 4 only. So your answer to this question is option number 4, that is 4. Your answer to this question is option number 4, that is 4. Again, I am saying, if you want to solve this exact question using this 2 minus 1, 1, that also will give you the same answer. You can try. Chalo, let's try now. Let us try now. So if I take this 2 minus 1, 1, and again you can take infinite possibilities. So 2 square 4, minus 1 square, both will be positive, sir. So 1 plus 1 whole square, sir, divided by. Again 2 into 1, sir, 2 square into 1 square, 4 into 1, sir, 4 plus b into c, 1 into 1, because minus 1 square, everything will be 1, sir, this is 1, plus c into a, that will be, sir, 4 again. So if you calculate 6 square is, sir, 36, by, sir, this is 9. Again we are getting 4, sir. But you see, here the calculations are bigger than this. So that is why I always say, if possible, if you see if this 0 thing is possible to put, always put it. If 0 thing is possible to put, you please put it. Clear, sir? Next one. Next one, sir. Next one, sir. Tell me, sir, how can we solve this? How can we solve? This is a good question. This is a square. Huh? This is a square. Huh? A little issue with the typing. Sir, by looking at this, the idea that I am getting, so square and square, na, they are bhai, keep it together. Sir. Plus, sir, this is both without squares, you keep them together, sir. You keep them together. Now, and from here, sir, a square minus 4a plus 1 equal to 0. Acha, sir. If in this situation, I need a plus 1 by a. Divide by a. So it is a minus 4 plus 1 by a. Argamita, I guess you are correct. This will be 0 by a is 0 only. So a plus 1 by a, we are getting 4, sir. Now, if this is 4, can anyone tell me what is the value of a square plus 1 by a square in one line? If a plus 1 by a is 4, what is the value? Wherever you are prepared, I think you do know this. You guys already know this, sir. If whatever is the value of a square plus 1 by a square, if a plus 1 by a is 4, tell me, sir, what will be that? Sir, if a plus 1 by a equal to p, sir, what is the value of a square plus 1 by a square? It is p square minus 2. Because if you do the whole square, like this minus 2ab will, plus 2ab will go that side. Becomes minus 2ab. And minus 2ab, a into 1 by a. ab is 1, so it will become minus 2. So it is 4 square minus 2, that is, sir, 14. So it is 14 now, sir. Plus this was how much, sir? This was, we got 4. So your answer will be, sir, 80. Your answer to this question will be, sir, option number 3, which is 80. Very, very, very simple questions once again. Very, very simple question. Right, sir? Next one, sir. Next one. Again, a square type question. Again, this type patterns, please remember. Whenever you see this pattern, you see, I need to get rid of this. And this pattern will always have coefficients of this and the constant coefficient as always equal. Why? You will get to see, sir. You just do this. X is LCM. X square plus 1. It is equal to 5. That means x square plus 1 is equal to 5x. And that is your job done. You can write this as 3x by, if I take 2 common from here, I will get 2 into x square plus 1 and minus 5x. You keep it. So 3x divided by this is nothing but, sir, 5x. You put it, sir, 2 into 5x, meaning 10x minus 5x. 3x by 5x. X cancels, it is 3 by 5. Option number 3, sir. Option number, sir, 3. Option number, sir, 3 here. Everybody, this is clear? Everybody, this is clear? Very, very, very simple case. Very, very simple case. Again, this is a good question. This is most definitely a good question. Think for 30 seconds. Think for 30 seconds, everyone. I am giving you guys a little time to think. Think. थोड़ा सोचो. थोड़ा सोचो, everyone. No hurries. No hurries at all. No hurries at all, sir. No hurries at all. Just think for 30 seconds and tell me. No hurries at all. Just think for a second and tell me. Tell me. Very quickly. Very quickly. Sir, 2 plus 2 cos theta. In your advanced identities, in your syllabus of advanced identities, you need to remember the two most important ones. That is 1 plus cos 2 theta. It is equal to 2 cos theta. And 1 minus cos 2 theta. It is equal to 2 sine square theta sine square theta. Okay. These two are the most important identities. These two are the most, so both comes from the formula of cos square theta. I was discussing about that in yesterday's class as well. In yesterday's class as well, I was discussing about that. So this is just written in a different direction. This is just written in a different direction. So if this is plus, we get cos. If this is minus, we get sine. Always remember, and also remember, whatever there is, it gets halved. If this is 4 theta, it will become 2 theta. If this is theta, it will become theta by 2. So whatever is there, it just gets halved only. That's all there is. That is all there is, sir. So what I'll write, sir? It is 2 plus 2 plus. Sir, this thing is, sir, this thing I can take 2 common. It is 1 plus cos theta. So 1 plus cos theta means this will become 1 plus cos theta means it will become, sir, 2 cos square theta by 2. Sir. Now 2 and 2, 4, sir. 4 means a square root will become, sir, 2. Again cos square theta by 2 will become, sir, cos theta. So it becomes a 2 cos theta. Cos theta by 2. Options, I guess typing there is a mistake because options though will not be like this. So again, sir, I can take 2 common, sir. 1 and it will become, sir, cos theta by 2, sir. Same logic will go on, sir. So it will become, sir, root over of 2 plus. It is, sir, root over of 2. 1 plus cos theta by 2. It will become, sir, 2 cos square theta by 4, sir. 2 cos square theta by 4. Again, there are 2 2's. If I get rid of the square root, it will become, sir, it will become 1 2 and cos square this will become, sir, cos theta by 4. Sir. Cos theta, yes, options are not correct. Huh? Options में divided होना चाहिए था. Now, again, sir, if I take a 2 common, sir, square root, it will become, sir, 1 plus cos theta by 4. It will be how much, sir? It will be, sir, again, sir, square root 2 and into this 2. 1 plus cos theta by 4 means cos square theta by 8. Again, 2 2's meaning 1 2 will come out and cos theta by 8. This will be your answer, sir. Not this one, sir. It will be, sir, 2 cos theta by 8, sir. This is your answer. Some mistake like while typing. What like my typist might have made a mistake. Okay? So this is the answer, not this one. So like none from this can ever be the answer. None from this. Everybody clear? Everybody clear, sir? Absolutely clear. It was a very good question based on this identity. You see, I have chosen all the questions. You see, if you have done all the questions, you will see one thing. All the questions are based on some theory or the other. After each and every question, I'm saying some theory or the other. That is the reason I'm not doing, say, 20, 25, 30 questions. Because I'm trying to like explain a few things. Take it? So like only choose, like to choose these questions, I take half an hour, 40 minutes every day because I want to like cover all the topics, like some from trigonometry, some from algebra, some from this, some from that, so that you guys get a good practice session. Now, acha, it will be the tops of two towers of heights x and y standing on level ground subtend angles 60 and 30 respectively at the midpoint of the line joining their feet. What is the value of x ratio y? So let's see, sir. Let us see, sir. Sorry. Sir, if I draw, so there is this. Now the biggest problem, अच्छा 30 हाँ ठीक है, we can do this. So this is this, and I'm saying this. Okay. So this is x, this is y, this is 60 degree. Argamita, let's see, sister. Now the only thing given, sir, this is your midpoint. This is your midpoint. Meaning, sir, this side is equal to this side. That much we know. That much we know, sir. Right, sir? Now, please understand. If this is 60, this is 30, sir. And we all know in a 60 degree, opposite to 60 degree, this is a root 3 units always in the ratio 60, 30, 90 triangle. And 30 opposite is always 1 unit, sir. Always it is, sir, 1 unit. Now, if this is 1 unit, sir, this must also be 1 unit. This must also be, sir, 1 unit. And again, we know opposite to 30, sir, it's 1 unit. And opposite, this is 60, opposite to this is, sir, root 3 units. Now, here root 3 means 1. So, the 1 will mean how much? Again. Let's, like some might get confused, sir. Root 3 meters, like let us take it like this. Let us take it like this. Acha, some might get confused. Again, I have been there, done that. Okay, ruko ek second. Let's do this. Sir, I am saying, sir, this is 60. So this is root 3 meters, I can say. So the value of x I am taking directly like this. So this will be, sir, 1 meter. So if this is 1 meter, this is also 1 meter. Now again take this. Sir, this is root 3 units and this is, sir, 1 unit. Now root 3 units is equal to 1 meter. Root 3 units, it is equal to 1 meter. So 1 unit will be how many meters, sir? 1 unit will be, sir, 1 by root 3 meters. That is nothing but, sir, y. That is your y. So y value is 1 by root 3 meters. They are asking what? They are asking x ratio y. How to do that, sir? X is root 3, ratio y is, sir, 1 by root 3. Calculate, you will get, sir, 3 ratio 1. You will get, sir, 3 ratio 1. Option number, sir. Option number, sir. Everybody, this is clear? Everybody, this is absolutely clear? Yes? Perfect. Perfect, sir. Perfect. So this was our questions. Now, last question of the day, then I'll give you a homework. Last question of the day. I'm giving you the answer. So, if they're asking alpha plus beta, if you have got this angle, the answer is always the same. Remember over here, alpha plus, this is not A plus B actually. A plus B will always be equal to this angle. Now, why? Some might have this question, just drop a perpendicular, like parallel. This is parallel to this, parallel to this. So this is a Z, you guys can see. Z means, sir, alternate angles. So this is equal to this. And again, another Z's are here, another Z's are here. It looks like this. Again, so this equal to this. So this angle is equal to this. Now, if you add these two, you add these two. So these two means 45 only. So from there we always get. So always remember, if there is a diagram like this one where these two lines are parallel, always remember, if this is alpha, this is beta, this is gamma, gamma is always equal to alpha plus beta. This is a property you can remember. But again, there is no need to remember. You can simply like practice a few questions. It will automatically be remembered. Perfect, everyone. I hope this is absolutely clear to everyone. So last time and work question. This is a homework for you guys. This is your today's homework. I want you guys to comment the answer. I want you guys to comment the answer down in the comment box right after this class is over. Okay, and again, every day, yesterday also I commented from my personal ID. The greater than 0 ID is actually mine. Okay, so I'll definitely comment down below, like comment, like interact with you guys in the comment section. Someone commented like yesterday also I had given one question, and I got one correct answer as well. So again, today also I want you guys to do the same. Perfect. So again, for those, we are again Saturdays we are kind of conducting the free sessions. Please feel free to join, and this is just to give you guys the good news, to share the good news with you guys. This is the topper pool from 2024 CGL examination. We got both year ones from JSO and non-JSO categories. Okay, Shubham and Manjot both are from like our students. Manjot was like from Manish sir's the batch. Okay, Manzil 2.0 I guess the batch, वो वाला batch से था. So you guys can definitely like check out our courses if you guys are interested. Now the 22nd ko the notification is about to come. Now this is the time, guys, to accelerate. Okay, put your foot on the pedal, and now this is the time you need to accelerate to get your dream job. So again, thank you so much for joining the session. Again, tomorrow I'll be back with the CGL practice set. Looking forward to see you guys in the class. So again, I'll see you guys tomorrow then. Till then, please take care and bye-bye. Have a very, very good night. Take care.